back to another day in Vlogmas. I am actually quite frustrated because here I am, like, being proactive, about to, you know, record on my DJI, to find out I left the SD card in the laptop. And I don't even have, like, my other camera where I can swap out SD cards. So here we are on the handy dandy iPhone. But anyways, hello guys. I'm so happy that half the day is done because I kind of want to just be done with the day. I am trying to call my mom because she's in town and I got to go get my nails done. So I was going to treat her to go getting her nails done, but she's not answering. So yeah, now that is for later after work, but right now I am on lunch. I'm actually headed to Nothing Bundt Cakes because I promised my aunt that I would bring her back some. Well, I wanted some, and I'm always thinking about my homegirl, so got to get her right. And yeah, so I'm about to grab a couple of those for the road tomorrow. And I kind of sort of wanted some sushi. I'm not even gonna lie, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it. We'll see. Oh, here my mama.
You have a great day.
You too. Thank you so much. Georgia.
Yeah, that's super annoying. It's like there's like
Correct. Exactly. It was such a pain, and I know you guys know I feel like I'm losing my mind every day, but I was like, You plan God laugh because why I thought I was about to take my DJI and be about town and show y'all me running errands, me at work. Left the whole SD card in the laptop, so had to record a couple bits on my phone. That's about all we getting for today's vlog. Right now I'm literally finished. I'm finishing up with my packing. I have to pack my makeup, but I usually keep that in the carry-on. The carry-on is usually probably like the last thing that I close out. I do want to transfer some stuff from the carry-out to the main luggage, just because I upgraded my seat so I have more weight allowance. Yeah, after I do that, I'm probably gonna jump in the shower and decompress because I am taking a nap tonight. I'm not really sleeping, I'm taking a nap. So the more, let me throw my meds in the bag because I know me. The vitamins, that's fine. I could get my nutrients through food. My meds, yeah, no. So grabbing my meds. I think I'm gonna take out Okay, so I am showered up. Got my outfit ready for tomorrow. Got my big bag packed. I just keep like I said, I keep my carry-on open until the day of because I do put my makeup in there and I'm gonna be using some of those items. There is a couple things that I need to do before I leave, and I do have a list and a reminder set. I think I left my big headphones in the car and I'm not going out right now, so I gotta go get that, and I have to move the car. And I have to get a Ziploc to put like my last minute skincare and stuff in there and then throw that on top of my carry-on. But for the most part, I am done. It is a wrap, people. It is a wrap. And so I'm gonna close off the vlog here so I can edit it and put it up. And yeah, it's gonna be night night, and then when we get up in the morning, it's the start of another vlog and it's start of a travel day. So I'm so excited, but also kind of tired. So I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Have a good night. Bye.